Imagine this. You've just invested in cryptocurrency, and in a single night, your portfolio tanks by 40%. Sound terrifying? That's the reality many face in the crypto world. But what if I told you there's a way to avoid this roller coaster ride while still enjoying the benefits of cryptocurrency? Enter stablecoins, the steady anchor in a stormy sea of volatility. But what exactly are stablecoins, and why are they becoming the cornerstone of modern finance? In the next 10 minutes, we're breaking it all down. Stick with me, because by the end, you'll understand why stablecoins could be the bridge between chaos and control in your financial future. Ready? Let's dive in. The journey of discovery. What are stablecoins? First things first, what are stablecoins? Think of them as the best of both worlds. They're cryptocurrencies designed to maintain a stable value, typically pegged to assets like the US dollar. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, which can swing wildly in value, stablecoins stay, well, stable. Wait a second, stable and crypto in the same sentence? Is that even legal? But jokes aside, this stability makes them ideal for everyday transactions, savings, and even safeguarding your money against inflation. In a world where uncertainty reigns, stablecoins offer something rare: predictability. But how do they actually work? And can they really be trusted? Let's uncover the mechanics. How stablecoins work. Stablecoins are backed by real-world assets. Some, like USDC or Tether, are pegged to fiat currencies, meaning every digital coin is matched by an actual dollar in reserve. Others are backed by commodities like gold, or even algorithms that regulate supply and demand to keep their value steady. Now, I know what you're thinking. Wait, are we talking about crypto or an episode of Shark Tank? This system creates trust and ensures that stablecoins live up to their name. But spoiler alert, not all stablecoins are created equal. Some have faced scandals, raising the question, are they truly stable? We'll get to that in a moment. Why do stablecoins matter? Stablecoins are revolutionizing how we think about money. They enable fast, borderless transactions without the volatility of traditional cryptocurrencies. Imagine sending money to a friend overseas in seconds with no hefty fees, or parking your funds in a digital wallet to shield them from inflation eroding your purchasing power. And let's be real, who doesn't want to escape the nightmare of rising prices and economic uncertainty? But as promising as they sound, stablecoins aren't without their risks. What are the pitfalls and how can you protect yourself? Let's dive deeper. The resolution, risks, and challenges. Here's where it gets real. Despite their stability, stablecoins aren't bulletproof. Questions about regulation, transparency, and the actual reserves backing some coins have led to scandals. Remember Terra USD, a so-called stablecoin that crashed, taking billions in value with it? It was a harsh reminder. Always do your homework. So, is this where we cue the horror music? Not quite, but close. Now that you know the risks, you might be wondering, how can you safely use stablecoins to build your wealth? Let's talk strategy. How to use stablecoins wisely. The key to using stablecoins effectively is to treat them as a tool, not a magic wand. Use them for what they're good at: transferring funds, protecting against inflation, and even earning interest through DeFi platforms. But always choose well-established, audited coins like USDC or DAI to minimize risk. Think of stablecoins as the calm in the chaos of crypto, a way to dip your toes in without diving headfirst into volatility. But wait, what's the future of stablecoins? Could they replace traditional money altogether? Let's wrap this up with some big picture thinking. The future of stablecoins. Stablecoins are more than just a trend. They're a glimpse into the future of money. Governments are exploring central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs, inspired by the success of stablecoins. This could reshape how we transact, save, and invest forever. The question isn't whether stablecoins will play a role in your financial future. It's how soon you'll start using them to your advantage. So, are stablecoins the answer to financial freedom? That's for you to decide. But one thing's for sure, understanding them today could be the key to staying ahead tomorrow. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Your financial future is in your hands. Make it count.